I have a list of items we've sold, but I want to know exactly how much did we sell, value-wise, between a certain dates, between January 1st and 3rd or between 1st and 2nd. I'm going to show you a little trick we do with SUMIFS. SUMIFS. We use the summing range of C6 colon C. That's all of the value we want to add up. Our criteria range first is going to be paired with our criteria. So we're going to say A6 colon A, meaning the entire column from 6 down. And now what's our criteria? Our criteria should be something like greater than or equal to whatever is in this B1 cell. And I'm going to show you this is not going to work, but I'll show you how to fix it. So now we're going to say A6 colon A is comma less than or equal to B2. Again, those are inclusive dates. I can delete the equal sign if I don't want inclusive dates. What's going to happen is I'm going to get an error. I'm going to get a formula parse error. This means that the formula itself is typed wrong. I need to add quotes around the greater than or equal to and the less than or equal to. And now do you think that fixes it? No, not yet. I need one more thing, which is an ampersand between the greater than and equal to and the date itself. Ampersand that and ampersand the other one. And now we get the actual value. And we can see this is correct. And I can change these dates. I can say, okay, I only want first and second inclusive, meaning what's on the first and second. And so we can also see that this is correct, 1810.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.